How to solve 4 power of x minus 2 is equal to 40. Find the value of x. So we have 4 power of x minus 2 is same as 4 power x of 4 power 2 is equal to 40. In the next step, we have 4 power x of 4 power 2 is same as 16 is equal to 40. Now we multiply by 16 in both sides. So multiply by 16, multiply by 16. So this 16 will be cancelled. Now we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 4 power x is equal to log of 40 times 16. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power r moved to the base. So this power x will move to the base. So it will be x log 4 is equal to log of 40 times 16 is same as log 40 plus log 16. According to this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So log of 40 times 16 is same as log 40 plus log 16. Now we divided by log 4 in both sides because we need the value of x. So divided by log 4 divided by log 4. So this log 4 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this part of a log 4 plus this part of a log 4. So you can write here log 40 of a log 4 plus log 16 of a log 4. In the next step, x is equal to log 40 can be written as log of 4 times 10 of log 4 plus log 16 is same as log 4 power 2 of log 4. Now x is equal to log of 4 times 10 is same as log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. Then plus this power 2 will move to the base. It will be 2 log 4 over log 4. So this log 4 will be cancelled. In the next step, x is equal to log 4 over log 4 then plus log 10 is same as log of 5 times 2 over log 4. Then here plus 2 In the next step, x is equal to this log 4, this log 4 will be cancelled here on. So on plus 2, that means 3 plus log of 5 times 2 is same as log 5 plus log 2 of log 4 is same as 2 log 2. In the next step, x is equal to 3 plus log 5 of 2 log 2, then plus log 2 of 2 log 2. So this log 2, this log 2 will be cancelled here on of 2. In the next step, x is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2, then here plus here on over 2, then log 5 over log 2 is same as log 5 base 2. According to this formula, log a of log b is equal to log a base b. So here 1 over 2, here 1 over 2, then log 5 over log 2 is same as log 5 base 2 according to this formula. Then x is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, that means it will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 2. So this is the value of x. This is our final answer. Please do like this video and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.